Hey, what you're about to see is the first lesson from one of Goalie's video classes teaching kids life skills. Go to getgoalie.com or stick around to the end of the video to learn more.
Today you're going to learn how to wash dishes by hand. Washing dishes by hand is a great skill to learn, especially if you don't have a dishwasher. Even if you do have a dishwasher, some dishes can go in it. So you'll have to know how to wash them the old-fashioned way. And if you don't wash your dishes, you won't have anything clean to eat off of. Plus, the longer you wait before washing them, the tougher it is to get the food off. To unlock this great skill, first you have to learn how to properly wash the dishes, how to rinse the dishes, and how to dry the dishes before you put them away. To get ready to wash the dishes, make sure you scrape any big pieces of food from the plates and bowls into the trash and pour any extra liquids out of the cups and glasses. Then, start by preparing some soapy water. First, run the water to a warm temperature, but not too hot. You don't want to burn yourself. Then, plug up the sink, just like this. Now, add a little bit of dish soap and wait for the sink to fill up. Then, you're ready to use a sponge or brush to scrub each dish. You need to wash all sides of each one and make sure that all of the food comes off. Let's practice! Corey notices there are a bunch of dirty dishes. What should Corey do now? She can just rinse a few dishes and put them into the cabinet, or she can wash each one with a sponge using hot, soapy water.
This was just the first of a 3-part class on Goalie. To unlock the rest of the course, go to getgoalie.com. Your kids will learn way better on Goalie's distraction-free tablet, and you'll get access to hundreds of more video courses and routines to help them practice too. Drop a like and subscribe, and comment what you want us to teach your kid next.